Hi guys, this is Ken from Tech Open, back again with another tech video. This time to show you the unboxing of the Echo 4th generation, which is something I have been waiting for quite a while, because since I live in Portugal, we do not get these speakers delivered to us unless we use some workarounds and whatnot. This one actually was brought to me by my father-in-law. He was nice enough to bring this for me because he went to France. There was one issue though. I ordered the wrong color. I ordered the blue version and I wanted the black one. So I don't know what happened there. I don't know what I mixed up, but that's what happened, guys. So, it is what it is. We're going to still unbox this because I'm really curious about the design of this and also the sound quality. So yeah, let's check it out, guys, and see if it's worth it or not. Okay guys, so let's get this opened. So guys, you can see this comes packaged like this. Typical Amazon packaging. And here it is. And yeah. So for those of you that are new to smart speakers, you can control lights like these, like the Philips Hue. You can control light strips. I have an RGB light strip right in the back. You can see there in the back I have a light strip. I can actually control it with my voice. So if I say, Alexa, turn Govee strip to red.
Did you mean Govee office?
Yes.
Okay.
So you can see I turned it to red. I'm actually using the Echo Dot from last year. This one also came accidentally. It was supposed to be the 4th generation one, and I got the 3rd one. So another mixed up order. I haven't been having lots of luck with these orders, guys. It's been going pretty bad, but whatever. So you can control all these devices. You also have another one that can control these little smart plugs as well. You can see this is Zuzi. I haven't tested these out yet. I'm not sure if they'll work well with Echo Dot speakers and Echo speakers, but I will have to test this out. This is another thing I'm going to unbox and test, so don't forget to subscribe and watch that as well, guys. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Now hopefully this will have better sound quality than I'm expecting. And yeah. Okay, so let's get this open. We actually have a little tab to pull. We don't need any knives or anything to open this. Just pull this little tab, and here it is. So you can see here on the top part of the lid, we have a little symbol of the smartphone. We have the speaker here. So it's basically telling you to download the Alexa app and also to connect the speaker to your outlet. And here it is, guys. You can see it right away. And right from the beginning, I do not like this color. I honestly do not like this color. I might sell this one and get the black one, hopefully. But this color is not my thing. It honestly is not my thing. But that is personal preference, whatever. So right here we have the charging brick. The power brick, not charging brick, because this does not have an internal battery. And we have the speaker. And we have some manuals. Now let's check out the speaker. Like I said, guys, I do not like this color. The design, it's okay. It's not my kind of thing, but the color. So this sits like this on top of the table. And if you want to compare it size-wise to the Echo Dot from last year, this is not the Echo Dot. This is the Echo 4th. Okay, this is the Echo Dots. Okay, so don't mistake both. The other Echo Dot, the 4th generation Echo Dot, is more or less the size of this one, but think of it more of as like a ball. It's like a softball size kind of a ball. And this one is a little bit larger and a little bit heavier. It's more or less the same weight that I had from the previous version. But you can see the buttons here on the top. I'm not a fan of this color. I do not like this. I've seen some people complaining about the positioning here. The positioning isn't bad, in my opinion. I don't think it's bad, the positioning. I just don't like this colorway. Look at that. It looks nasty, man. I don't like this. I do not like this color at all. I do not like this color at all. So you can see the power port right there, and also the 3.5 millimeter jack. So you can input audio and export audio, which is pretty cool. So you could use this, for example, to add like more speakers to the Alexa speaker. You could add more speakers, for example, by connecting them through this port. And yeah, this is what it looks like. So more or less fits in my hand. It feels more compact in the way that it's kind of lower than the previous generation. The other one was like a cylinder, and this one's a sphere. You know, I don't mind the design, I just don't like the color. You can see the light is now here on the bottom part, which might be kind of a bummer to some people because before it was on the top ring of the speaker, and now you have it on the bottom part. And since this is spherical, it has a sphere shape, it kind of hides the light. Hopefully the light will come under here and shine a little bit out to these sides, hopefully, but just keep that in mind. So you have this fabric, this is all in fabric right here. The buttons are really clicky. I don't know if you can hear that. So they're not like touch, they're actually pressable buttons, you have to press them. I don't have any issue with the buttons, some people do, with the positioning of the buttons, it doesn't bother me. So all fabric, this is all plastic. You have the ring light right here on the bottom part, and you also have this rubber foot right here, the circular foot, which maintains the speaker stable. I'm now going to connect the speaker to the power outlet and set this up. I'm not going to go through the setup process because it's kind of boring. It's always the same thing with all these speakers, the Amazon Echo speakers. But yeah, I'm going to set this up and we'll test the sound quality and some features just to get an overall idea of what the sound quality is on this speaker. Hopefully it will be pleasant. So yeah, let's connect this. So many people have said that the sound quality of this one is much better than the previous generation. I can't really test that because I hardly had any chance to test the previous one since it did malfunction right at the beginning, which is unfortunate, or else I would actually compare it with this one. So yeah, let's connect this now and check it out, guys, and see if it's worth it or not. So I have the cable, I'm going to connect this, and we're going to get some kind of light here. Exactly. If I lay this like this, you can see the effect. So I'm going to connect the speaker now, guys, to the app and get it working.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa-App runter und folge den Anweisungen.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Ciao, il dispositivo è pronto per la configurazione. Scarica l'app Alexa e segui le istruzioni. Hola, el dispositivo está listo para que lo configures. Descarga la app Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Okay, so I'm going to connect this to the app. Okay guys, so let's test a little bit of the sound quality. Play copyright-free music.
No copyright background music soundtrack for adverts studying traveling IGT Facebook Live inspiring emotional sad beat storytelling NCS radio from Spotify.
Volume 20%. Alexa, volume 40%. So the sound quality is really good, guys. Nice bass. I really like it. Volume 60%. Volume 80%. Volume 50%. Alexa, volume 100%. Stop playing. It gets really, really loud. For this size of a speaker, it gets really loud. The bass is really clear and punchy. There is a little bit of distortion at higher levels of volume, like over 80%. I notice a little bit of distortion in the bass. It gets a little bit like rumbly. But besides that, like from like 50 to 60%, 40% volume, you get nice clear sound, nice bass. It's a real pleasure to listen to be honest, guys. Now, the drivers haven't settled in yet. I have to play this for a few hours to get, you know, the membranes of the drivers to settle in, because they're all like stiffened up because it's brand new. But I definitely believe that over time this will sound even better. So yeah, I definitely recommend this speaker. It would be even better if you could pair this with a second speaker and get some stereo sound. I think it would be even better than this. It would even sound better. So yeah, I really like this, guys. This is just like a quick review of the unboxing and sound quality of the speaker, just for you guys to hear my first opinion on this, if it's worth it or not. First look, it's definitely worth the money that it's worth. And I definitely recommend you guys get this speaker. To me, from the little that I heard from the previous generation, which I didn't get to test that much, compared to the other one, this one, in my ears, you know, to me, it sounds much better than the previous one. The bass is punchier. I think it even sounds a little bit louder than the other one. I don't know if that's kind of just my feeling of it, but it does sound a little bit louder, and the bass sounds better to me. It has more bass to it. Yeah, really nice, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get all the latest videos that I post on the channel. If you like this video, leave your thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it to get this video to be seen to the most amount of people as possible. This is a real, honest, unbiased opinion for you guys to get an idea of what it's like to get this speaker and the first look of it. And I definitely recommend it. You know, first look, I definitely recommend it. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.